the end of the day, when you strap one of these watches onto your wrist, you aren't just wearing a piece of jewelry or a mechanical timekeeper. A masterpiece of aerospace engineer and extreme metallurgy. The shine that catches everyone's eyes isn't a visual trick. It is the direct result of billions of dollars invested in property technology, custom machinery, and a chronic refusal to accept standard industry norms. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. I see you in the next one.